Hello everyone, thank you for joining our tutorial. Today we will learn that everyone can draw a beautiful jellyfish. This time I am using Authentic Baby sketchbook with black paper inside and a white pastel pencil. First of all, find the reference photo that you like the most. Try not to think about how difficult it could be to draw, because the most important thing is to enjoy the process. So, finding a picture that you like is crucial. In that way, every stroke that you make is a step forward to something that is beautiful for you. And if the process doesn't reflect your ambitions, then it is easier to try one more time and learn something new in the process. So, take your time and find the picture that you like the most. Next is the drawing part. Be very gentle with a pencil and softly mark lines that characterize your jellyfish. Those lines should be a framework for further process. Then cover the picture with the first layer of color. This layer covers everything that has mass except tentacles. The layer should be very soft and transparent. Then, step by step, add details and layers of white color that will add depth to your drawing. Don't be afraid of not being 100% precise, because the main thing is to feel good about the process and slowly make something beautiful. Remember that the drawing will be finished when you decide, so you can draw every little detail, or draw just the main characteristics, and that could be done. There is no such thing as perfect artwork, so don't try to be perfect. Seek quality in your time, and the outcome will reflect that. That's all for today. I hope that you heard something valuable in the process. We appreciate all kinds of feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and if you want to show us support, subscribe to our channel, and till the next time, bye.